You guys, we have to apologize. Like, really, I have to apologize to you guys because look at their eyes. You're the sweetest. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, fam bam. You guys, it's early Saturday morning and it's raining outside, but we have things to do this morning. Have a few errands to run this morning, so we're running out real quick to go and do that and leaving the family in bed. So we'll be back in about an hour and a half or so, but we're heading out real quick, trying to go run these errands. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, because we're gonna have a long weekend even though the weather is not so beautiful outside. But the fam have to get things done around here, okay? I'll show you the boys in a bit. Ty, come here. Tyler, come here. Ty, come here.
Hi guys, good morning everybody.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody's in good spirits this morning. Well, as usual, my family.
It's the weekend. Yeah, so we're trying to be in a good mood.
Trying? I am in a good mood. I have to try. No, we're going in the car now. No toys. Look at this boy. No, we're going in the car. Let's go to the car. Close it. Turn off the rabbit. Turn off your rabbit. We're back home out of this rain, and I just finished making breakfast for the fam, so we're gonna grow right now. You guys, it's raining like crazy outside. Let me show you guys what I made for breakfast. French kind of thing. He's obsessed with his uncle. Guys, we finally made it to the festival. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but it's raining. Hopefully I'll be able to get some footage of you guys with the fam. And tell her, Ty, say hello. Come on, let's go. So hopefully I'll be able to get some footage in this rain, but let's see. Come down. But if you come down, then you won't be able to see. You know, if you come down, you won't be able to see, right? That's a dragon over there. That one. Look at Tyler face. They love his tonto. The queen and her flowers. Della is having more fun than anybody else. He finally got his flowers, so he's happy. Go time! Ooh, ooh. Oh, maman, tu smell it? Tu bouges un peu? Look, see the baby coming, look! Look! Look, see there, go kick it. Ah! Carnival late. We're having so much fun. Even though it's raining a little bit, but look at that. We're too lit right now. Wait. Okay. Come on, let's go, baby. Up. Agua, leave him. Agua. You guys, we're out here catching flowers, y'all. Auntie have a pink one, and Tyler have two, a yellow and a white. It's so much fun! Oh my gosh, so much fun. We're having so much fun. Almost everybody out here have flowers in their hands, and they're still throwing out flowers from over there. Wow! Who are you giving? Who are you giving it to? Gonna give it to Tata? Give it to Tata? See Tata there, there behind you. You're the sweetest. Hey folks, it's been a long, eventful, amazing day. We got back off the road and I made dinner for the fam-bam. We're here having some appetizers before we dig into dinner. I just made some fried rice for them. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what's dinner. There we go, that's dinner. So we're having shrimp and chicken fried rice tonight, and yeah, everybody's just here chilling.
L'araignée.
Pic, 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 pic.
C'est l'araignée. C'est une araignée.
Et qui c'est lui maintenant?
C'est l'araignée Spiderman. Qui a glissé sur
une peau de banane.
Opération football.
With his favorites.
C'est qui ça?
C'est Peter Parker.
Parker.
Oui. Yeah.
Et qui crée un costume. D'accord. C'est qui? C'est Peter Parker.
Oh, on voit pas sa tête. Il a caché sa tête. Il a caché la tête.
Il a mis un masque.
Oh, il sait faire du parapluie.
Il est fort, dis donc, Spiderman. Hein,
C'est quoi ça? Ça c'est une ficelle?
il attrape les voleurs.
Il est tombé. Ah, lui, il est tombé.
Il attrape les voleurs, Spiderman. Il vole les pauvres.
C'est night Fabs. Oh, il sauve les femmes en détresse. Tala Fabs, night. Night Fabs. Tomorrow.
Dead.
You guys.
Hi guys.
I don't think y'all has ever seen us like this.
No, we look normal.
No, I don't look normal. You don't look normal.
I don't look normal.
You guys, we have to apologize. Like, really, I have to apologize to you guys because look at their eyes.
I look normal.
You guys, I'm as drunk as can be. You see? Look, I'm drunk. I can't open my eyes more than this. And babe is drunk as shit. He's been chatting non-stop. He's been chatting non-stopping. And I'm walking and hitting myself in walls. That's how good the day was today. He's... What are you doing? I told you that he's drunk. I can't walk straight. You guys, I think I'm just gonna have to close my eyes and tell you guys good night, because not even an expression I can't come up with to give you guys right now. So I really have to apologize. You guys, if it's your first time watching, just go ahead and click the subscribe button, comment down below. We have been drinking non-stopping. We are just having an all-round amazing day. I've never felt like this in life. Look at this one. Hey, and we're just gonna go to bed. We have no strength, but we wanted to end the vlog, so of course we're coming out to tell you guys that we love you guys, and you're to comment and subscribe and just let us go in our drunk state. All right?
Yeah, come with us. Come to have fun with us.
Hey, come to have fun with us. That sounds like a big party you're going to keep, honey.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys,